Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this one owner, accident-free 2020 Toyota Prius Prime. Powering this plug-in hybrid is a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 1-speed CVT transmission, getting you an awesome average of only 4 liters per 100 kilometers. Checking out the trunk, you have this amazing cargo cover which retracts, revealing lots of cargo space, including a storage cubby for your charger. Moving to the interior, you have nice soft leather seats which are power adjustable, your charge door and gas doors. On the steering wheel is your hands-free audio, and on the right side is your dash display controls along with heated steering wheel, lane departure warning, and front collision warning. Just behind is your cruise control. Moving up to the top of the dash, this car currently has 94,544 kilometers. You have a huge infotainment unit with your automatic climate controls built in. You also have your gear select and drive mode selects just below, along with a wireless phone charger and your heated front seats. In behind, you have a couple of charge ports. Moving to the back of the interior, you have in the back of the driver's seat a zippered pocket along with a regular seat pocket. You also have the nice soft leather seats with a foldable cup holder in the middle. These seats are 60-40 split folding with the control here. And in the center you also have 2 USB ports. Thank you for watching this walk-around video of the 2020 Toyota Prius Prime. If you'd like to see this vehicle in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, and our sales team will happily show you around.